In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up iCloud storage. If your iCloud is full, backups fail, photos stop uploading, and mail can bounce. Let's clean things up, starting with Apple's built-in guidance. On your iPhone or iPad, open Settings, tap your name at the top, then iCloud. Look for Recommended for You. This section highlights quick wins, like large files, old backups, and duplicate or unnecessary content. Review each suggestion, preview items when possible, and only delete what you're confident you no longer need. These tips are personalized and a great place to start. Next, check for old device backups. Backups from devices you no longer use can consume gigabytes. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, and choose Storage or Manage Account Storage. Open Backups, select any device you no longer need, and choose Turn Off and Delete. This removes the backup from iCloud and prevents future backups for that device. Don't worry. Deleting an iCloud backup doesn't erase the data currently on your device. It only removes the saved copy in iCloud. Keep the backup you rely on for your current device. Photos and videos often take the most space. Open the Photos app and delete shots or clips you don't want. Remember, if iCloud Photos is on, deleting here removes the item from iCloud and all synced devices. To actually reclaim space, head to the recently deleted album and empty it. Photos and videos remain there for about 30 days unless you permanently delete them. Now tidy up iCloud Drive. Open the Files app, tap iCloud Drive, and remove folders or files you no longer need. Old screen recordings, downloads, project archives, or duplicates can add up. After deleting, visit the Recently Deleted section in Files and clear it to free the space immediately. If you use iCloud Mail or Messages, large attachments can pile up. Delete old emails with big attachments and clear message threads loaded with photos and videos you don't need anymore. If you use iCloud Mail, the Mail Cleanup feature can help automatically reduce low-value emails, which is handy when your inbox is massive. Finally, look at other features that store data in iCloud. Remove voice memos you don't need, clear outdated contact photos or posters, delete saved FaceTime videos you no longer want, and remove attachments from old calendar events. These smaller items can collectively make a real difference. After each round of cleanup, revisit your iCloud storage overview to see progress. Repeat these quick audits every so often to keep things running smoothly. With a few thoughtful deletions, you'll reclaim space for the stuff that matters.